Oh, what a wet day. It's wet, rainy. I'm getting on out of here. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Let's get on going. I heard a Rode Wireless Go 3 third generation is on the market. And sometime soon, we're going to go see You Got It, a DJI Mic Pro coming soon. We're not going to have a mic that's going to be connected to the app and change things of the Mic 2. They're going to create a new one, and that's called sales marketing. I had to take a little detour. I got to go a little further down. I will come back to this one in a second. So here we are, looking at some Christmas decorations. Isn't that nice? And even this is nice as well. And I had to stop just to show you how things are decorated. Oh, it's not a Pocket 3 day. It's not an action camera day, because when the lens gets wet, the shot is ruined. So you may see a whole bunch of little dots and flares and all that good stuff. Guess $2.97 still. Wow. Not lit up, but it's Santa. Normally he'll come out by the sidewalk. Yeah, I'm just taking little detours till I get to the bagel shop. So here we got a couple more lights on the right side, Mickey Mouse. As we pan over to the other side, that is nicely decorated. Yeah, I should have left a little later. I didn't. But I get to where I need to be at, for sure. I think I'm going to go get sesame, cinnamon, and everything. That's about all the flavors I like. Nothing out there I really want to get, because they don't have chocolate chip and other flavored bagels. But they got these snowflakes lit up. Here we go. Holidays are going. All right. I noticed a Corolla Cross in pearl white that I like. And it looks awesome. Got a nice back tail light, but I wonder how large the turn signals are on. We'll come back later. At least I know one's in the neighborhood. Yes, indeed. Now we can always say, hey, how do you like the car? I really like it. Compare that to a HRV. You know, Honda needs to get their gas mileage up there. And they haven't increased it anytime soon. It's always been low on the gas mileage ever since. So I took the long way to the bagel shop. They didn't put anything out today. I gotta come back a little later. The bagels are not out. Not yet. So I gotta sit here with my light on and just vlog while I'm underneath the canopy until the bagels come out. Or I could go for a little bit more of a bike ride, go back to the cross and give a talk. Well, this is a HRV right here, but it's not a new one. It's the second generation model. But there's the cross. It really looks nice. It really does. If I come over to this car right here, the Konas. Does the Konas look any different to you? I don't know if I want to get a Kona, but it's a near identical front as the Cross. So why is everybody comparing the Honda HR-V to the Cross? when the cross should be compared to the Kona. I'm just pedaling along. I don't want to be stopping. I want to be going. I want to go, go, go. Go, 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 gadget. South Bend. Look at that stove, man. Think it's still workable? You think they're cooking? Well, all this is just storage because this wasn't really a kitchen before. We'll pass by Santa, Christmas trees, and wreaths. Frosty the Snowman. You get your tree yet? All these trees. That's an HRV right there. I don't want to be lifting and closing tailgates. I'm allowed to dream, right? I'm allowed to imagine, right? HRV, I know HRV in the neighborhood. Know a couple. I know there's 2 crosses in the neighborhood, but not many I see. 8,000 per month. That's quite a lot. This is my talk, my main talk. Normally you see me put subject tracking on. I don't think so because I really can't see. Well, bagels is still not out, and I wandered around for, a good amount of time. Went back to the cars. Don't see much Christmas lighting out here. And the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is like a car. You're always looking for updates. Why do you want to update in your Action 5 Pro that you're not getting? DJI, when you send out a request and they answer for the developer, they say, please check the DJI official site so you could be updated when your request comes out. And you look at the page they send you to and you're like, oh, what am I supposed to be looking at? Oh, the PDF file, the firmware update. Why do I gotta go and download a PDF file? Why can't you just simply write it right there? Put a notice that things have changed. They don't. They want you to do all the legwork for them. Well, DJI is not releasing anything anytime soon. Maybe they'll get something out December 2024, just to please all. Fix the minor bug or issue. Bagels should be ready, being put out now. Hot bagels, man. What do you want to get? Hot bagels at the beginning? Let me ask you this question. My camera's like this. Why am I looking on the side and you see me in my videos like this? Couldn't we at least see our live feed the correct way and have the gyro look correct? Does GoPro do that if you have horizon balance on? You put it to the side? Does it? I gotta get going. It's gonna pour. It's gonna be a real foul day. And that's not what I wanna do, is be out here waiting for a bagel. I got some video to edit, and I gotta meet up with Joe. And I got 5 awesome things to take care of, and they gotta be done nicely. Well, I could stop and ask the gentleman, how do you like your Kona? Did you notice the cross up ahead? Would you like to get a cross over a Kona? Or why should I get a Kona over the cross? All I could do is continue my search on YouTube and see what people say. Look for rare reviews. Let's go on and get our bagels. All right, I got everything. That's all they had. Just get on out of here and get where I need to be at. I got a lot of bagels on my handlebar. I want to make this light, so hang on. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Let's get on going. Across is a Kia Sportage. That's a bigger car than the Kona. Yeah, they got so many cars. We drove Kia. Kia was nice. It fit everything I had when I went cross country. Going cross country doesn't mean from the east to the west. It can mean the east to the east, east to west, west to west, west to east, and the old way. How about the Subaru Outback that I just passed? The Crosstrek. It's the smaller of the Outback. What do you gotta get such a big car for? Like a Passport, trailer, whatever they call the new ones today. Packages. They only come like one or two. That's it. You got 3 models and maybe a package. And that's how these major companies go. We're still doing a food drive. Yes, we are. We're waiting for a food drive. I should go wait online and get some food as well. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, said some, chewed some, talked about some. And that's all I did. Gave a good talk. I'm gonna go meet Joe. We're gonna sit down and have a bagel and cut the bagels up and have a bagel fun day. I gotta get on going, get on getting things done. How about you? Later for now.